So what is headspace, I asked myself, and after research I guess the head part is about feeling and sensing, and space is dimensions, areas, being and not being too. So I dive into my research with sound first. I have this habit of turning on noise cancellation mode whenever I put on my earpiece, and I realized that with background noise, different kinds of noise frequency activates different parts of the human brain. For example, when it's bright noise, I can feel the noise vibration inside my brain but at the upper area, and with dark noise, it's at the lower area. Humans can actually detect objects and obstacles by just hearing at the echoes reflected. Just like how animals in nature such as bats and whales can use echolocation to locate food in the wild. And this is where our radar and sonar come from. What else is space related to? I think it would be wind, because when wind blows at me, my hair would fly to the back. What that tells me is that there is ventilation, I can feel the breeze, and I know that there's space in front of me, whichever direction the wind comes from. The relationship between light and headspace. So I tried covering my eyes with one hand but not touching my face, and I could still see what's in front of me but with the vague shape of my head overlaying with the vision. So that means that our eyes focuses more on light than on dark, and we are naturally paying more attention to light. And that is human nature, because in the natural world, flies will be attracted to light because they thought they are trapped in a dark space, and so they want to escape to the outside, which is towards the sun. Direct sunlight reminds us about the nature, so we are naturally going towards it. So when talking about light is space. What about dark? Dark is also space. So this is when positive and negative space comes in. It's fourth dimensional because space is everywhere, positive and negative. For example, in the ocean, they are a fourth dimensional space. Fishes and divers move freely in the ocean in whichever direction they want to. A dot is 0 dimension, line is 1 dimension, 2D space is flat basically, and 3D is what we live in. Meditation is when we will feel 4 dimension, and to be more specific, it's the crown chakra that makes us feel sense the most. It is more beyond our body than looking inner our bodies. After the research part of my project, I start with having an idea of a box to block all my senses on my head first, and creating openings so to let my sense concentrate at this only opening that's open at that time. And so I create this, my first prototype antenna. I tested it. So the problem I identified is that when I open it up from the side, my vision is being blocked. So I've decided to create another prototype. I will open up horizontally from the sides, both ways. And this is beyond my field of vision. Well, when I was trying to make this with cardboard, I failed to identify the liners inside the cardboard. So when I tried to fold it and curve it, I couldn't do it because it's just too hard. I carried on with my last prototype. Here I created a gap for my shoulders to sit on.